Are you planning your next vacation and not sure where to go? We've all been there. Scrolling through endless reviews, photos, and blogs, trying to figure out if a city is worth your time, energy, and hard-earned money. That's where we come in. In today's video, we'll show you highlights of the beautiful city of Funchal in the Portuguese island of Madeira. Think of it as your quick, no-nonsense guide to discovering whether this destination is your next dream getaway or just another pin on the map. Now, they say it takes less than a second to like a video, but leaves a lifetime of good karma. I don't know who they are, but they sound really wise. So, trust them and hit the like button now. It will make your karma skyrocket. I promise. There are two ways you can get here. 1. Flying into Funchal Airport, which is known for its thrilling landings. Pilots train like Jedi masters to navigate this runway, which feels more like a balcony stapled to a mountain. When your plane lands successfully, applause from the passengers isn't just polite, it's pure relief. And 2. Cruise your way in. Not a fan of flying? Hop on a cruise ship. These massive floating hotels will take you right into Funchal's picturesque harbor. You'll arrive relaxed, sunburned, and possibly 10 pounds heavier from the buffet. And now, some interesting facts about Funchal. Funchal is the capital of Madeira, an island that's basically nature's flex to the rest of the world. Its dramatic cliffs, lush valleys, and sprawling mountains all shout, "Look at me. I'm perfect." Funchal offers both a tropical and mountainous vibe that's so good, even the palm trees seem to smile at you. The weather is unpredictable in the best way possible. You can be sweating in the sun one minute and get caught in a delightful downpour the next. It's like nature loves keeping you on your toes. Funchal's beauty is a constant tease, and honestly, it's kind of rude how perfect it is. Funchal is the birthplace of the one and only Cristiano Ronaldo, and trust us, they're not subtle about it. There's a museum showcasing every trophy, jersey, and probably his baby teeth, just in case you forgot he's a legend. The airport is named after him, because why not land your plane under the shadow of greatness? And then there's the statue, infamous for its bold design choices, including some oddly shiny legs. Funchal is basically Ronaldo's personal fan club headquarters. Funchal is famous for its insane fireworks display every New Year's Eve. The fireworks in Funchal aren't just fireworks, they're a full-blown light show that has earned a Guinness World Record. The sky lights up like an over-caffeinated kaleidoscope, and if you've never seen it, you're missing out on one of the most spectacular things on the planet. You might even start to wonder if the island actually owns the concept of fireworks. So, if you plan to ring in the new year here, make sure to bring extra batteries for your camera, because, trust me, you'll need them to capture this blazing spectacle. Madeira wine isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle. The island's fortified wine is made with such care and pride that even your grandma's secret recipe for jam might feel inferior. A sip of Madeira wine will transport you straight to the 18th century, where it was basically the drink of choice for royalty. It's sweet, dry, and spicy, and you'll love it so much that you'll want to take a bottle home. Be careful, though. After one too many glasses, you might start to think you're royalty, too. So, embrace your inner noble while sipping this liquid history. And, if you're still debating whether or not to like this video, let me help. Yes, it will guarantee that you'll never stub your toe again. Okay, that's a total lie, but wouldn't it be nice if it were true? Hit the like button now, and, let's hope for the best together. Funchal has more hills than a roller coaster park, and the locals love reminding you of it. The city's cobblestone streets are the perfect setting for a fitness challenge. You'll never feel more alive, and out of breath, than when you're climbing one of Funchal's steep hills. The view from the top? Worth every sweaty step. Whether you're trudging up to see a botanical garden or just trying to reach the nearest cafe, Funchal's hills will make sure you get your cardio in. So, pack those sneakers unless you want to experience what a personal trainer feels like on vacation. You'll hear a lot about pancha in Funchal, and for good reason, it's Madeira's national drink. Pancha is a sweet, citrusy concoction made with rum, honey, and fruit juice. It's the type of drink that goes down smooth and hits you like a freight train 15 minutes later. One glass will have you chatting with strangers like you've known them for years. It's dangerously good, so take it slow, or you might find yourself becoming the life of the party without even trying. Get ready for your best I'm on vacation moment when you taste this drink. The Mercado dos Labradores is where all the cool fruits go to hang out. If you've ever wondered where exotic fruits and veggies go to get fancy, this is the place. The market is packed with colorful stalls selling everything from weird-looking bananas to tropical passion fruits. The vibrant market is like a farmer's market, but way cooler and with a lot more attitude. So, Channel your inner foodie and prepare to be overwhelmed by the fresh produce and delicious smells wafting through the air. Just be ready for a serious fruit overload, because here, one bite is never enough. Funchal is home to some of the most Instagrammable views you'll ever see. From the moment you land on the island, it's like every corner was designed for a selfie. The lush greenery, the bright blue ocean, the jagged cliffs, everything here screams, photographer, start clicking. You'll find yourself constantly stopping to snap pictures, only to look up and realize that the view in front of you is even more jaw-dropping than the last. So, bring your camera, your phone, or even a disposable one. Yes, they're cool again, because Funchal will make sure your social media game is strong. And now, if you still haven't pushed the like button, please, don't be that person who watches an entire video and leaves without liking it. That's like eating at a restaurant and not tipping the chef. Click like, it's your way of saying, compliments to the content creator. Funchal's Old Town is the kind of place where history and hipness collide. This part of the city is home to colorful streets, quirky shops, and art that makes you stop and say, wait, that's a door? The cobblestone streets might be old, but the energy here is fresh. Locals and tourists alike stroll through Old Town, snapping pics of the quirky door murals and popping into local cafes to grab a drink. It's the perfect blend of old world charm and modern vibes. You'll never want to leave, especially once you find that perfect street art photo op. In Funchal, you can try traditional wicker toboggan rides that will make you question your sanity. These rides are the best thing since sliced bread, or at least the best thing since you realized you could ride down a mountain. Two local drivers push you down the narrow streets in a wicker sled, and trust us, you'll feel the adrenaline like you're on a roller coaster. It's exhilarating, a little dangerous, and absolutely the most fun you'll have all day. Get ready to squeal, giggle, and potentially lose your dignity as you race through Funchal streets. Madeira's weather is like a wild, unpredictable party you can't escape. One minute, you're sunbathing by the coast, and the next, you're caught in a torrential downpour that feels like the sky is giving you a personal shower. Pack for all weather conditions because, in Funchal, the weather has a mind of its own. But don't worry, it's not that bad, just think of it as Mother Nature keeping you on your toes. Seriously, don't bother checking the weather app, just go with the flow, and if it rains, enjoy the dramatic moment. Madeira is famous for its unique, black sand beaches, where you can burn your feet in style. While most beaches around the world have soft, golden sand, Funchal's volcanic beaches are black and bold. The sand may not be the kind you can bury your feet in, but it sure makes for some great beach photos. Be careful, though, this sand heats up faster than your morning coffee. Pack your flip-flops and enjoy the wild beauty of the shore, but make sure to keep your shoes on unless you want to experience what it's like to walk on lava. The Madeira Botanical Garden is a place where plants go to strut their stuff. This garden isn't just some patch of grass with a few flowers. No, this place is a living, breathing museum of plant life. From the massive palm trees to the rare flowers, you'll feel like you've stepped into a botanical paradise. So, bring your camera and your best plant puns because Funchal is about to turn your Instagram into a jungle. You'll leave thinking, do my plants at home even try? You'll quickly discover that the street art in Funchal is more than just graffiti, it's an entire cultural movement. From colorful murals to quirky door paintings, Funchal streets are basically an open-air gallery. As you walk through Old Town, you'll see doors and walls covered in art that's as bold as it is beautiful. It's like wandering through a vibrant, street-level art exhibit that'll make you want to take pictures of every corner. The walls here are talking, and they're saying, Instagram me. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun learning about Funchal as I did sharing it with you. If you enjoyed this video, please, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and trust me, it will make my day. See you in the next one.